Using Striplox solution for putting corbels or feature shelves up is very simple and easy. All we've done is we've recessed into the back of the product, the Pro23. This will sit flush on our wall. The good thing about using the Striplox system is that the product will not pivot or turn or move once we put it onto the wall because it has a locking tab in it. We simply put the opposite product onto the wall, put our corbel on, knock it down into position. With our two corbels set in position, now we want to put our shelf going across the top. Simply, we've recessed in the clip 50. The clip 50 is on the top of the corbel. Place it into position and slide it on. Now we have a very nice solid shelf.